Hey there, welcome to the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter. Today's video, we're looking at a 2014 F-150 XLT in gray. This is a 5-liter V8. It's a good looking truck. Nice thing about this unit, you've got a couple aftermarket installs already. We've got a light bar up front, and then as we reach around the back of the vehicle here, I'm going to show you. We've got a tri-fold hard tonneau cover already installed. Those things are great if you're packing a lot of stuff in the back of your truck, both for safety, security, and it just keeps your stuff nice and dry. So this unit has keyless entry, as well as sync available on it. But we'll have a look at that when we pop inside. Alright, we're nice and warm inside. So, as you can see, this truck has 140,800 kilometers on it. It's got all your cruise control settings as well as your infotainment settings on your steering wheel, so no distracted driving. Standard power locks, power mirrors, power windows. And a functional, easy to use, user-friendly dash. Center console easily flips up. So you have 3-person bench seating. Popping into the back. Got your supercrew here, so you got lots of leg room for passengers, storage. You've got a 60-40 split bench, which folds up nice and easy, and a little bit of under storage room there. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you want to come down and give this unit a test drive, give us a call, 250-563-8111, or pop on by.